Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi, and this is the birthday card we're making today. Okay, so let's get started. Supplies. Your base is terracotta, thick whisper white rather, and this is your standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half, then folded in half. Then you've got a piece of terracotta tile, and this measures 14.35 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Okay, and then we've got some of the Mosaic Mood Designer Series paper, and it's these beautiful flowers that we're going to fussy cut out. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be using this Country Floral 3D embossing folder, and I'm going to put my piece of terracotta tile paper in that and run that through my Big Shot. Okay, so there we've put it through our Big Shot, and it's all lovely embossed. So now we can stick it down to our piece of our card base, our Whisper White. So I'm just going to use some snail on the back, but I'm going to be quite generous with it because of the emboss, just to make sure it does stick down. Okay, just stick it down there. Okay, so now I'm going to bring back our piece of Designer Series paper, and I'm going to fussy cut out some of these roses and a butterfly. So as always with fussy cutting, just let the scissors do their thing and move the paper, not the scissors. Okay, so I've cut those flowers out, so now we can stick them down. I'm just going to use some snail at the back to stick these down. You could also use your Tombow, whichever takes your fancy. I'm going to put that one there, I think, and then I'll put this here. And don't worry about the bits coming off the edge, we're going to cut that excess out in a minute. And then I think I'm going to have this one. Let's see which way we want it here. Like that. Okay, so I'm just going to take our scissors and go around the edge here and just cut off the excess. And that's what we've got so far. Not too bad. It's lovely paper. And I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the inside actually has an embossed effect on it. Yeah, you can see there, it gleams, it's lovely. Okay, and then our butterfly we're going to take, and I'm going to hit that mini dimensional in the middle. So prop him up, and then I'm going to just fold up his wings a bit. I'm going to stick him down there. Okay, so let's set that aside for a second. I'm going to do some stamping, and we're going to be using the stamp set called Painted Glass, and I'm going to be using the sentiment here, have a beautiful birthday. So let's get some scrap Whisper White, and you can see this one's been well used. And I'm going to stamp it in terracotta, terracotta tile. So I'm just going to stamp that like that. Okay, and then I'm going to punch that out. So we're going to be using the Timeless Label punch. I'm just going to punch this out. It fits beautifully into the punch, just like that. Just center it. There we go. Bring back our card base. We're just going to put this on some dimensionals. Okay, take the backs off them, and then all we're going to do is stick it down like that, and then finishing touches, a rhinestone just here on top of the dot of the eye, and all is done. So there you go, those are the 2 cards. Simple and sweet. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and all the links, including my social media links to my Facebook group, etc., are in the description box below. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!